Is how to fix network discovery is turned off error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this error in your system, the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings, and from the left side of settings page click on system. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Thereafter choose other troubleshooters and click on run network and internet troubleshooters. To run network and internet troubleshooter is the first and initial workaround to fix this issue, and then second one is right click on a start button and choose settings again, and here from the left side go to network and internet. Thereafter scroll down and click on advanced network settings, and here scroll down and under more settings choose advanced sharing settings, and here make sure that network discovery is duly turned on. If you find it off, then turn the toggle button to on to enable network discovery on your system, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Windows key plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and here type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And in services windows, you should ensure function directory provider host and function discovery resources. Apply a double click on it to open it, or make sure that a startup type is automatic and service status start. If you found it in a stop mode, start it and press apply and OK. Similar action will be function with function discovery resources. Choose automatic and choose a start. The next one services is, again go to services page and scroll down and look for SSDP discovery. Apply a double click on it and a startup type choose automatic and services status should be start. Press apply and OK. The next one services you must enable. This is UPnP device host. Also choose a startup type as automatic and service status should be start. The next one more services you should enable, and that is client DNS client services. Apply a double click on it, and if you found it a stop mode, simply start it and check whether your network discovery is turned off error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next phases. Again go to Windows settings, and here from the left side go to privacy and security. Thereafter choose Windows security, and here click on virus and threat protection, or firewall and network protection. Firewall and network protection. And here make sure that from the left side of menu go to look for allow an app through firewall, and thereafter here go to network discovery option and make sure that under private network and public network both are duly marked checked. If not, click on change settings and make the check against both the boxes private and public, and finally click on OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is Right click on start button and choose device manager. And in device manager windows, from the left side of driver list, go to network adapter section, expand it and right click on your network adapter and simply choose update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and your network discovery is turned off. Error in Windows 11 and 10 will be saved.